Welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher, Gajanan sir, and today we are going to discuss how to solve different type of passages. Okay, this is a last chapter of practice book, Reading for Understanding. So students, in your exam, in your annual exam also, 7th class, 8th class, as your classes will go up, you will have to solve different type of passages. So how you have to solve the passages? So whenever you read the passage, read the questions properly and try to understand the meaning of the question, and read passage 2 times so that you can easily find out the answers. So one example I will give you here. So pay attention and listen carefully and try to solve all the questions given below. So keep in your mind, you have to read the passage 2 times to understand its meaning and the central idea. Let's start. When you think about a spider, you probably picture a dark colored creature that spins a web for catching food. Jumping spiders are different. Most of them are very colorful and they catch their food by leaping on it. They do not spin webs either. Instead, they use their silk as a safety line. In case they fall while jumping, they also use their silk to make tent-like shelters. Jumping spiders can hip more than 20 times their body length. If you could that, you would be able to jump almost 40 meters. Because they are hunters, jumping spiders need good eyesight. This helps them see their prey. They have 2 large eyes in front of the head and 3 smaller eyes on each side. Okay students, now you have read the passage. Whenever you solve any passage, read it 2 times, and here now try to solve out the questions. State whether the following statements are true or false. Jumping spiders are colorful. True or false, that you have to write down. Jumping spiders are the common household spiders. Jumping spiders catch their food by spinning their webs. So students, you can find out the answer because the answer is given in the passage only. So easily you can find out the answers. Jumping spiders are colorful. It's true. Second one, jumping spiders are the common household spiders. False. Okay. So students, in this way you can solve out the rest of the questions. Let's see another one passage. Red panda. Very rare and difficult to capture. Red pandas belong to the bear family. The red or lizard panda is different in size and color from the giant or greater panda. The most striking feature of the red pandas is their agility. When in the jungle, these small creatures with their strength, agility and cunningness can free themselves from captivity. The red panda's dense woolly coat of reddish brown fur has lighter color bands on the tail. The face is white with a reddish brown strip on each cheek. The red panda is a magnificent climber and moves from tree to tree in the twinkling of an eye. Pandas are omnivorous and live on a variety of succulent fruits, roots, tender bamboos, leaves, insects, and occasionally red beehives for honey and nest of birds for eggs. They rear their young ones in the hollows of hardwood trees. Okay students, so keep in your mind, whenever you solve any unseen passage, unseen poem, try to read it 2 times to find out the meaning of the passage and then try to solve this. Okay student, So this is the one passage that you have to read properly and try to solve out the questions given below. Okay, this is the end of today's class. Thank you. Have a happy day.